What's up mga idol at bossing ko? Have a good day everyone. Maligayang pagbabalik sa aking munting channel. May panibagong upload na naman tayo, mga panibagong units. Kaya kung naghahanap ka ng sasakyan, dapat pinapanood mo to hanggang sa dulo. Marami tayong magaganda at quality units, ready to use, ready for long drive. Kaya hindi na natin kailangang patagalin to. Pero bago natin simulan, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe at kung bago ka pa lang sa aking YouTube channel, paki-like and subscribe naman po at isama mo na ang notification bell para maging updated ka sa mga video na i-upload ko. Alright, let's start. Nangunguna sa ating lineup, 2016 Ford EcoSport 1.5 Trend, automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 35,000 kms, price 385,000. Location Parañaque City. Very nice inside and out. Ang ganda ng pagkapula na ito. Excellent interior condition, 6-speed automatic transmission, multi-info display, may voice command, may phone connectivity, may auxiliary and Bluetooth ready. All power and all panel gauge are 100% working. Ice cold aircon with automatic climate control. Na live stream ko na to nung nakaraan pero may nag-request, isama ko pa rin daw sa aking upload. Flawless interior nito, mga upuan, naka all leather seat cover, wala pong damage, wala pong cracks. Smooth ang suspension at no noise po ang mga pang-ilalim nito, solid under chassis. Under the hood, silent and smooth engine, naka 1.5 Ti VCT gas engine that produces 110 horsepower at 142 Nm of torque. Excellent engine condition, no issue, ready for long drive. Smooth and shiny body paint, mga gulong makakapal pa naman, private use only, not bank repo. Sa mga interesado, pwede nyo pong i-check ng actual ang unit at negotiable pa po ito upon viewing. Next, 2017 Honda Mobilio 1.5 RS, automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 50,000 kms, price 655,000. Location Parañaque City. Eto, well-maintained na Honda Mobilio RS. Push start button na to. Excellent shift transmission, wala pong delay. All power, steering, windows, locks and side mirrors, gumagana po lahat. Naka-dual SRS airbag, naka-dual ice cold aircon with automatic climate control. Check nyo po actual mileage, not tampered. Naka-touchscreen head unit na po ito with reverse camera sa screen. All stock, all original to. 7-seater capacity, mga upuan, naka-fabric seats, wala po itong mga punit. Flawless ang interior. First owned unit, may dalawang susi na kasama with owner's manual and service booklet. Hindi po kalakihan ng cargo space na ito, pero kung gusto nyo pong marami kayong mailagay, naitutupi naman po ang third row niyan. Check nyo po engine bay nito, silent and smooth, excellent condition. Naka-Amaron battery, naka 1.5 liter iVTEC gas engine that produces 118 horsepower at 145 Nm of torque. Available po ito sa financing. Ayan po yung computation sa screen. Sa cash na buyer, negotiable pa to upon viewing. Sasakyan nyo na lang po yung unit. Meron na po itong fog lamps and daytime running light. Next, 2006 Nissan X-Trail 2.0X 4x2, automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 85,000 kms, price 298,000. Location Marilao, Bulacan. Meron na naman tayong bagong Nissan X-Trail sa Marilao. Check nyo to mga idol. Well-maintained and well-preserved unit. Naka 10 inches na Kamichi Android head unit. Smooth and responsive ang transmission. 5-seater capacity at lahat po ng upuan. Naka all leather seat cover. Presentable interior. Used but not abused. Guaranteed no engine issue. No leaks. No overheat history. No talsek. No usok. No blow-by. Kondisyon na tong unit sa pangmahabaang biyahe. Mga gulong nito makakapal pa naman. Naka Westlake. Nasa 95% trade line. Sasakyan na lang itong unit. Just gas and go. Sa mga interesado para sa mabilis na transaksyon, andyan po sa taas yung Smart and WhatsApp account ko po. Next, we have 2021 Honda BR-V 1.5V, automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 27,000 kms, price 838,000. Location Pasig City. Good as new condition na Honda BR-V, push start button, may paddle shifter na to, may eco mode and sports mode, naka touchscreen head unit na to with reverse camera, may anti-lock braking system, naka dual ice cold aircon, all gauge are working. Check na po actual mileage, not tampered. 7-seater capacity, mga upuan nito pati sidings, naka all leather. Check this out mga idol, best buy unit to, clean and fresh interior. Under the hood, superb quality engine, naka 1.5 liter gas engine that produces 119 horsepower at 145 Nm of torque. Nothing to fix po ang unit na to, gagamitin nyo na lang. Kompleto ang mga papel nito, naka-registered, may dalawang remote keys na kasama, naka-garnish ang mga ilaw, makakapal ang mga gulong, naka-original shiny paint pa po yan, wala po itong gas-gas, walang din. Next, 2013 Mitsubishi Montero Sport 2.4 GLSV 4x2, automatic transmission, diesel engine, mileage 80,000 kms, price 670,000. Location Location, Las Piñas City. Sa naghahanap ng well-maintained na Montero, multi-function steering wheel na to, 8-speed automatic transmission with Tiptronic shifting. Maluwag ang second row na itong unit, 7 to 8 seater capacity at marami po itong rear aircon ventilation. Clean and intact interior at maluwag po ang trunk space nito, perfect to pang personal and family use. Under the hood, excellent engine condition, no issue. Naka 2.4 liter diesel engine that produces 178 horsepower at 350 Nm of torque. Available din po itong unit sa financing. Pa-check na lang po ng competition, andyan po sa screen. Formado na po itong unit. Ang ganda po ng mugs neto, wala pong gutter marks at ang mga gulong makakapal pa, nasa 90% trade line. Outside appearance, smooth shiny paint, ang ganda ng pagkaputi. 2018 Toyota Corolla Altis 1.6G automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 50,000 km, price 630,000. Location, Las Piñas City. Sa naghahanap ng Toyota Corolla Altis, eto, flawless outside appearance, 7-speed CVT transmission, smooth shifting, malakas sumatak, walang delay, all power and all mechanism are working well, may anti-lock braking system, ganda ang mga upuan, naka-fabric seats, clean and fresh intact interior at smooth po ang suspension nito, wala po itong kalampag, solid ang under chassis, wala pong unwanted noise. Under the hood, naka 1.6 liter dual VVTi gas engine that produces 120 horsepower at 154 Nm of torque. Available din po ito sa financing. Pa-check na lang po ng competition, andyan sa screen. Naka all-in down payment na po tayo dyan at kung cash basis, negotiable upon viewing. Kung mayroon naman tayong existing unit dyan, pwede nyo rin po dito dalhin, pwedeng i-trade in. 2019 Nissan Navara 2.5 EL 4x2 automatic transmission, diesel engine, mileage 40,000 km, price 830,000. Location, Las Piñas City. May sinama po akong pickup, naka-promo po ito ngayon. Dati po itong 890, ngayon 830 na lang po. Naka-touchscreen head unit na yan, may 360 camera, 7-speed automatic transmission, malakas po ito humatak, wala pong delay sa shifting, clean and nice, presentable interior, naka-fabric seats, walang damage ang pang-ilalim, solid po, wala pong kaluskos, walang ingay. Under the hood, smooth and powerful engine, naka 2.5 liter diesel engine that produces 161 horsepower at 403 Nm of torque. Kasama rin po ito sa financing. Pa-check na lang po ng competition na nasa screen. Outside appearance nitong unit, makinis. Naka 2 18 inches alloy wheels at ang mga gulong nito makakapal pa naman. Automatic retractable side mirror na po yan. Very presentable po itong unit. Next, 2014 Toyota Hilux 3.0G 4x4 automatic transmission, diesel engine, mileage 68,000 km, price 898,000. Location, Las Piñas City. Attitude black ang kulay, personal use only, never been trailed itong unit. Naka-factory touchscreen monitor pa to with auxiliary, with USB, with Bluetooth ready and navigation. Excellent shifting, 6-speed automatic transmission. 4-wheel drive nito, perfectly working. Very clean and fresh interior. Hindi masyadong nagagamit at nakakargahan ang likod nito. Kita naman ang bidliner mating, malinis. Under the hood, powerful engine condition. Naka 3.0 liter diesel engine that produces 160 horsepower at 343 Nm of torque. Bagong change oil lang itong unit, ready for long drive. Available din po itong unit sa financing. Pa-check na lang po ng competition, andyan po sa screen. Outside appearance, very good and shiny body paint. Nothing to fix po ito. Must see the unit to appreciate. Next, 2018 Toyota Rush 1.5G automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 50,000 km, price 760,000. Location, Las Piñas City. May nag-request nitong puti na Toyota Rush. Eto na idol, all stock, all original to. Naka-keyless entry, push start button, naka-factory touchscreen head unit, 4-speed automatic transmission, smooth shifting, walang delay, clean and fresh and flawless interior, 7-seater capacity at maganda pa po ang upholstery nito. Well maintained po ito ng first owner, kita naman sa itsura. Under the hood, good running condition engine, naka 1.5 liter gas engine that produces 102 horsepower at 134 Nm of torque. Walang tagas ng langis to, no overheat history, no issue. Available din po ito sa financing. Pa-check po ulit ng competition, andyan po sa screen. Outside appearance itong unit, makinis, naka 17 inches 2-toned alloy wheels at makakapal pa naman ng mga gulong. Sasakyan mo na lang to, just gas and go. Next, 2015 Toyota Fortuner 2.4V Black Series 4x2 automatic transmission, diesel engine, mileage 71,000 km, price 868,000. Location, Las Piñas City. Pearl white ang kulay, Black Series V variant na Toyota Fortuner. Ang angas nito, naka black wood panels, naka stock touchscreen head unit, naka factory leather seat, wala po itong crack, flawless interior, all stock, all original at babae pang first owner nitong unit. Well maintained clean po ito at hindi masyadong gamit. Kumpleto pa ang manual nito, pati service booklet meron pa ito. Under the hood, naka 2.4 liter D4D diesel engine that produces 148 horsepower at 400 Nm of torque. Ready for long drive na po ito, condition no issue. Pwede rin po ito ipasok ng financing. Ayan po yung computation sa screen, 154, naka all-in down payment na po yan. Best buy to, naka gunmetal black mugs pa to, paunahan na lang kayo dito mga idol. Next, 2016 Toyota Fortuner 2.4G 4x2 automatic transmission diesel engine, mileage 60,000 kms, price 1,080,000. Location Las Piñas City. Eto another Toyota Fortuner, multi-function steering wheel with cruise control, 6-speed automatic transmission, sariwa po ang interior nito, flawless. Naka ice cold dual zone aircon with automatic climate control, 7 to 8 seater capacity. Maayos po ang upholstery nito, wala po itong punit, wala pong damage ang interior. Maayos ang pang-ilalim nito, no unwanted noise. Silent and smooth engine condition, naka 2.4 liter diesel engine that produces 148 horsepower at 400 Nm of torque. Condition na po ito, ready for long drive. Kasama rin po ito sa financing. Pa-check na lang po ako ng computation, andyan po sa screen. Overall appearance ng unit, makinis po ito, presentable body paint. Na-check at na-scan ko na itong mga unit, LTO and HPG verified, pero kung meron po kayong trusted mechanic, pwede nyo pong dalhin para magkaroon kayo ng peace of mind. Next, we have 2018 Hyundai Accent 1.6 CRDI automatic transmission, diesel engine, mileage 50,000 kms, price 460,000. Location Las Piñas City. May nagpahanap rin sa akin ng Hyundai Accent na diesel po ang engine. Kasa maintain po ang unit na to. Check mo to idol, naka touchscreen head unit na po yan. All power and all mechanism are working well. Maayos ang interior nito, maayos ang kondisyon ng upuan, pati sidings. Smooth ang suspension at 100% hindi po ito nabaha, 100% no accident history. Check nyo po engine bin ito under the hood. Naka 1.6 liter diesel engine that produces 134 horsepower at 260 Nm of torque. Excellent running condition at fuel efficient po ito. Available din po ito sa financing. Ayan po ulit yung computation, pa-check na lang po sa screen. Ang ganda rin po ng pagka-black neto, wala po itong gas-gas, walang dent, shiny presentable paint. Sasakyan mo na lang tong unit, just diesel and go. Next, 2015 Kia Sportage 2.0 LX automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 60,000 kms, price 510,000. Location Las Piñas City. Kung naghahanap naman kayo ng crossover, ito Kia Sportage. Malinis ang dashboard nito at malinis ang interior, 6-speed automatic transmission, well-maintained unit. Kita naman sa itsura ng mga upuan, maayos po. Sa 9 years old nitong sasakyan, masasabi kong used but not abused. Excellent condition, mga pang-ilalim, wala po itong kalampag. Check nyo po engine bay nito under the hood. Naka 2.0 liter gas engine that produces 175 horsepower at 392 Nm of torque. Guaranteed no engine issue, no hidden defects. Available din itong unit sa financing. Pa-check na lang po ng computation, andyan po sa screen. Nothing to fix naman itong mga unit na ina-upload ko, ready for long drive. Kaya kung interesado kayo, andyan po sa taas yung smart and WhatsApp account ko po, or you can comment down below sa video para ma-assist ko po kayo. Next, 2020 Toyota Rush 1.5G automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 20,000 kms, price 810,000. Location Las Piñas City. Another Toyota Rush, good as new condition, 7-seater capacity, push start button, naka touchscreen head unit, 4-speed automatic transmission, wala pong delay sa shifting. Very low mileage lang po ang tinakbo nito, clean and fresh, intact interior, nothing to fix, no issue. Available din po ito sa financing, andyan po yung computation sa screen. Check nyo rin engine bay nito, good running condition, sasakyan nyo na lang, ready for long drive. Alright, ayan na po lahat ang upload natin for today's video. Sana po may napili at nakursunadahan kayo. Kung wala pa po dyan yung unit na kursunadan nyo, just comment down below sa video at hahanapan ko po kayo. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Marami pong salamat. This is J. Catskill Vlogs. Mag-iingat po kayong lahat. Peace out!